Hello! Today we'll be talking about marketing strategy basics. My name is Julie Pierson-Fields, and I am the founder and president of AHG Marketing, an international award-winning full-service marketing agency. Thank you for joining me today. So, talking about marketing strategy, that is a huge topic and one that cannot be fully covered in a quick Facebook Live. What we're going to touch on are some of the things that some of our clients have struggled with in crafting their marketing strategies. Audience, competition, metrics. First, who is your target audience? Who's your ideal customer? What is their gender, their age, their geography? Are they a cat person? Are they a dog person? Do they have kids? No kids? Do they like to travel or not travel? These things will help you ensure that you are really knowing who your audience is so you can speak to them. Also, this helps you know where your audience is. Are they on Facebook? Are they on Snap? Are they Instagram, Twitter, Quora? Do they read magazines? Do they read newspapers, billboards? Again, where is your audience and who is your audience? Last, and this is the most important, what problem does your organization solve for your target audience? Bearing in mind that the problem that your organization solves for your ideal audience could be vastly different than the problem that you solve for other clients that you have. Case in point, we have one specific customer. They are in a very targeted pet care niche. We know who their audience is. We know where their audience is. We also know the exact 3 or 4 problems that our customer solves for their audience. So guarantee you, every single message that goes out to their audience, it is targeted exactly to make them feel like we are talking to them. And now when you can do that, your message is far more likely to be well received by your audience. So we've covered audience. Next, competition. As much as we hate to say it, we all have competition. So I encourage you, think about your top 3 or 4 competitors. Everybody has competitors. Whether you are a small restaurant or you are Nike, Adidas, Apple, everybody has competitors. And that is good because when you know who your competitors are, you can really hone in on what is your organization's competitive advantage. Conversely, I want you to also think about what is your competition doing better or doing differently. For an example, we have a client who is in a very specific publication niche. It's pretty much them and one other competitor covering the whole country. They're the David to the competitor's Goliath. Their competition is much bigger. It's crazy bigger. The main competitive advantage that our customer has, they are personal. Their clients know that they can call them, email them, Facebook them, Voxer them, use a Slack channel. However it is best for that customer to get in touch with our customer, they've got it. Whereas their competition automates everything. Not saying that our customer doesn't automate, but their competitive advantage, and they sell it, is that they are personal. So when we put together their messaging, we purposefully use words like, we partner with you. We are your team. That personal touch, they continue every year to explode their business. And we are so excited about it. But knowing who your audience is, where they are, what problem you solve, and how you are different than your competitors blows your marketing and your messaging out of the water. Last, metrics. Some agencies don't like to include as much metrics in their marketing strategy. They prefer to keep it at the 200,000 foot view, which is totally fine. However, I'm an engineer. Metrics matter. That is our mantra, and we are sticking to it. Well, I encourage you to think about, what is your offer to your first-time customers? Again, bearing in mind that your offer to your first-time ideal customers might be very different than you're offering to other first-time customers. Knowing what your ideal customer is going to take advantage of, what's going to draw them in your literal or figurative door, is what you need to make sure that you're putting out there. Next, what is the lifetime value of a customer? That can also be stated as, what are you willing to pay to acquire a new customer? Some of our clients are willing to pay up to 95% of their lifetime customer value to acquire a new client. Some of our customers are like, nope, I'm only comfortable with paying 20%. Some customers are like, nope, I only want to pay 10. Each business is different. Each organization is different. And if you know your lifetime value of a customer, that will help you make sure you're putting an offer out there that is, one, going to draw them in, but two, going to keep them there. Lastly, what is your sales process? How do you nurture that cold lead into a hot client? What steps do you take them through? What processes do you take them through? Knowing that will help you ensure that you are targeting your messaging, targeting your ad, targeting every single thing that you are doing in a way that your ideal audience feels is organic and feels genuine. If people don't feel that you are genuine when you speak with them, they're not going to use you. There are too many other people out there who are genuine. So know your audience, know your competition, and know your metrics. I know we've covered a lot of things. So if you'd like a free handout of the points we covered today, go to ahg.tips/FB2 to get your free marketing strategy planning guide. I appreciate y'all joining me today, and I look forward to next week when we'll be covering how to handle negative comments on social media. Because like it or not, we all get them. And we need to make sure we handle them in a way that is, again, genuine, but also serves a PR purpose. Thanks for joining me today, and have a great day.